Hello my dear friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with this super yummy Vadapav platter in the miniature form using handmade cold porcelain clay, and this is looking very tempting, very yummy. So I will share from scratch how to make the ladi pav along with the vadas, mirchi, chutneys and the tray with the detailed procedure. Isn't it looking very pretty? And you can convert this into fridge magnet, or you can use this as a showpiece and you can gift it to vada pav lovers. So without any further delay, let's start with procedure. So I'm starting with making the ladi pav or the pav, and for this I'm taking small amount of the handmade cold porcelain clay, rolling it between my palm. And then shaping it from all four sides using paper cutter. I have given the link in description box. If you want to learn how to create the handmade cold porcelain clay, you can check there. Now using the small wire tool here, I am creating small holes on all four sides to give the texture, and cutting two sides like this to have the straight lines so that we can connect it with each other. And now I have prepared total 6 pavs and I am connecting together to create the bunch of ladi pav. Like this. Now after drying, I am coloring it using off-white color only from top. We don't need to color it from bottom. And then adding little more highlight only on the top portion using darker shade. Here I have mixed yellow with little bit of red and very little bit of white and brown. So this is done. Now I am showing you how to create the single pav, which is opened. So again taking small amount of clay between my palm, rolling it like this, shaping from all four sides. And then just chopping it using scissor from 3 sides to make it straight. Then take any blade or paper cutter and just cut it from the center so that we can open it. You have to do it while the clay is wet. Like this. And then to give texture, I am taking here needle tool and just adding small, very small holes and texture from all the sides. So it should look like this. And now after drying, I am coloring my pav using same off-white shade and little darker tone on the top. And this is ready. Then I am showing you how to make small chili or the mirchi. So taking very small amount of clay on my palm, just roll it like this, make a cone, and from other side we have to roll it very teeny amount and just curve it to have the perfect chili shape. Allow it to dry completely, and I have created lots of chilies already. So after drying, I am coloring it using dark green acrylic color. And the chili is ready. Then I am showing you how to make the batata vada, which is the main ingredient of vada pav. So taking very small amount between my palm, just roll it like this and then taking 2 pieces of sandpaper and rolling it between the sandpaper to have the texture. And then using the needle tool, I'm just poking the vada like this so that it will look like the fried vada, which is having chickpea flour stuck after frying. So it will give the realistic look like this. Here I have prepared lots of vadas already, and then I'm coloring it using yellow acrylic color after drying. So this is done. Then here I am taking this handmade clay plate which I have colored in grey color, and then I am sticking all the vadas on this plate. Then randomly here and there I am adding some small balls of the yellow color clay, which will give the effect of the chickpea flour frying small balls, which comes after frying the vadas in smaller quantity. And after adding it here and there, it will give the realistic look of the frying vadas. And then I am sticking the chilies on other side, which are fried chilies. And this is ready, looking very tempting. Then I'm showing you how to make the chutney for the vada pav, which is the dry red color chutney. So taking here red color clay, just chopping it in very small chunks using paper cutter. We have to chop it very thin so that it should look like the powdered form. Actually, it is made out of fried chickpea balls, garlic and salt. Now I am showing you how to convert your pav into vada pav. So just adding glue in the bottom section and pouring this dry red color chutney which we have created. By adding little glue in the bottom, I am pouring this powder. Taking out the excess. Then on top portion I am adding glue again, taking little bit of green color clay and spreading it using needle tool to give the chutney effect, the coriander chutney effect. Then in the center add glue and stick small vada. And then on top of this I am sticking one small chili, which is a fried chili. So now this is looking like the perfect vada pav. Isn't it looking very yummy? I like to try. Then here I am taking 4 by 1.5 centimeter Sunboard piece. I have colored this in yellow ochre color acrylic shade, and then on top of this I am adding total 4 vada pavs which I have already prepared with the same method. And it should look like this. Then to create base tray, here I am taking 8 by 6 centimeter Sunboard piece, and from all 4 sides I am covering it using ice cream sticks. If you don't have Sunboard, you can take the cardboard piece. And this is done. Then I am covering it with brown acrylic color in the bottom. And on the sides I am adding dark yellow ochre shade, which is again the acrylic color. So the coloring is done. Now it's time to arrange everything on the tray. So I'm starting with the vada pavs in one corner, then adding batata vada plate, after that I am adding the ladi pav. So for this I have already prepared this small tray using ice cream sticks, and I have extra 3 ladi pavs. So I have decided to add all 9 ladi pavs on my tray. So just sticking it with the glue and then adding it inside the tray. And then I have prepared 2 small bowls of chutneys with the green chutney and the powdered chutney which we have created. So adding these 2 small bowls on the top, and the platter is ready. Very tempting. So our super cute Vadapav platter is completely ready. The monsoon, the rainy season is coming very soon in the India, and this is apt for the season. You can convert this into fridge magnet if you wish, but I am keeping it as it is, and I am going to gift it to my vada pav lover friend. And you can make such kind of mini platters for your loved ones. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.